This is what you get when you just click Generate on a slide deck in NotebookLM. And this is what you get when you use a customized prompt. And this is what happens when you turn the whole thing into a video slide. Let me show you how to create professional slide deck and transform it into a full pitch presentation for an investor or client. Let's start by heading over to NotebookLM and creating a new notebook. Go ahead and give it a name. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I was brainstorming a car wash and service business idea using both Claude and Gemini, and I want to bring all of that research into one place. I'll select everything from my brainstorming session, and because I have the Kortex Extension installed, I can simply right-click and add it directly to the notebook I just created. Super convenient. Next, I have a PDF report I pulled from Gemini during my research phase. I'll add that as a source as well. And then I'll also go ahead and select all the ideas I generated from Gemini. Right-click and add those as a source too. So now everything is in one notebook for my Claude brainstorm, my Gemini ideas, and my PDF report. That's a solid foundation. But here's where the fun begins. First, let's try the traditional approach. Click on Slide Deck and let it generate automatically. And there it is. Honestly, not bad at all for zero effort, but watch what happens when we take control of the process. Click on Slide Deck again, but this time select Present Slide, because we want a proper presentation format. Leave the length at the default setting and paste in your custom prompt. Now, if you're wondering where I got that prompt, I simply asked Claude to generate a slide deck prompt tailored to this specific business idea. That's the move. Hit Generate. And look at that, that is significantly better, and we're not even close to being done. Let's start customizing. Go to Revise and type something like Make the car colored, then click Generate Revised Deck and give it a moment. We're getting there. Now go to Revise again. This time type, change the title to Waterless Car Wash and change the color of the text to green. Click Generate Revised Deck. And there it is. Beautiful. You can keep going, slide by slide, prompting it until it looks exactly the way you want. The level of control here is seriously underrated. Click the three dots and select Download PowerPoint. Got it? Perfect. Now open a new tab and go to Vids.new. Leave it in landscape mode, then select Convert Slides. Switch the option to Upload and drag and drop your downloaded PowerPoint file in. Click Next. Here's a cool feature. You can now change the narrator's voice. Listen through the options and pick the one that best fits your content.
The voice you select makes a difference.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers...
I'm going to go with Coach for this one. You can also edit the narration text directly. This is the script that gets converted into speech. Make sure the animation toggle is on, then click Create the Draft Video. And there it is, a fully produced pitch deck video complete with slides, narration, and transitions. You can customize the transitions between scenes, swap out voiceovers, edit the script, the works. If you click on the transition between scenes, you can swap it out for any style you like. If you click None, it removes the transition entirely, so pick whatever fits the mood of your presentation. Now, if you select a scene and go to VoiceOver, you can edit the narration text directly. Paste in a new script, click VoiceOver, and it will generate a brand new audio track.
Did you know that property managers are legally forced?
Then click Update Voice to replace the existing one. This is perfect if you have a specific script you want it to read word for word. For this video, I'll stick with the AI-generated script. It's actually solid. Select the scene you want to animate, then go to VO. You can adjust the aspect ratio. I'll keep it on landscape. Click the drop-down and select Animate an Image. You'll now see an option to add an image. I'll snip the slide I want to animate and drop it in. Then in the prompt, I'll type, Animate the car on the image to rotate 360 degrees. And click Generate. This is powered by the VO3 model, so expect some seriously impressive results. Once it's done, click on the generated video clip, then click Insert in Current Scene. The clip is now in your timeline. Let's hit play.
the smarter
Welcome to
car
Aquafree,
wash for a
the smarter car
water-scarce
wash
world.
for
But wait, notice that the video clip has its own audio? To fix that, right-click the video, go to Sound, and drag it all the way down to 0. Clean. Also, you'll notice the video clip is shorter than the full scene, and you can't just drag it to fill the gap. The workaround? Copy the clip and paste it, then align it so it covers the entire scene. Let's play it back now.
Welcome to Aquafree, the smarter car wash for a water-scarce world.
Excellent. That's exactly what we were going for. From here, you can apply the same process to every other scene in your video. It takes a little time, but the final result is absolutely worth it. If you want me to do a full detailed tutorial on Vids.new, covering everything from advanced editing to voiceovers and animations, let me know in the comments below. And here is the final result.
Welcome to Aquafree, the smarter car wash for a water-scarce world. We provide eco-conscious, on-demand vehicle care delivered directly to customers with zero water. We are currently seeking a $50,000 pre-seed investment. The total addressable market for car washes in the US is $15 billion. Our serviceable obtainable market is $1.2 million in annual revenue by year 3. We are seeing exponential growth in the convenience economy, combined with tightening state-level water restrictions, creating strong market tailwinds. Our business model is driven by a high-margin engine, eliminating rent, utility bills, and water costs, yielding 65% plus profit margin at scale. Revenue streams include on-demand B2C bookings, high-value B2B corporate and fleet contracts, and our stabilizing monthly subscription club, providing predictable recurring revenue. We offer a clear services and pricing matrix, ranging from the $25 express wash to the $150 premium detail. Our monthly club, priced at $99 per month for 4 full details, locks in customer loyalty and recurring cash flow. Our financial projections show we will hit break-even profitability by month 6, with an average monthly net profit of $7,170 per unit.